What if I told you that you can make money while you sleep, just by buying tax liens? Let me show you how. Welcome back. I'm Rob, the Tax Lien Investment Guy, and today I'll walk you through the exact steps to turn tax liens into passive income. Tax lien investing is a powerful, yet often overlooked strategy that can help you build wealth with minimal effort. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start earning passive income through tax liens. To understand how tax liens generate income, you need to understand tax lines. When property owners fail to pay their property taxes, the government may place a lien on the property. These liens are then sold to investors like you or me to recoup the owed taxes. As a tax lien investor, you pay the outstanding taxes, and in return, you receive the right to collect that amount plus interest from the property owner. In Georgia, you'll earn 20% the first year and an additional 10% for each additional year you hold the lien. Property owners have a specified period, known as the redemption period, to repay their debt. If they fail to do so, you may have the opportunity to acquire the property at a significant discount. In Georgia, owners have 12 months to repay their debt. First, research local laws. Tax lien investing rules differ by state and county. Familiarize yourself with local regulations to understand the process, interest rates, and redemption periods. Then you can identify upcoming auctions. Tax liens in Georgia are sold at live auctions. Check with your local tax office or county website for auction schedules and procedures. Next, it's time for due diligence. Before bidding, it's essential to research the properties associated with the liens. Ensure the property has value and assess any risks, such as unmarketable property or environmental issues. Before you attend the auction, it's a good idea to set a budget. Determine how much you're willing to invest and stick to that budget during auctions. Then you're ready to participate in the auction. Attend the auction in the county where you're doing business and bid on liens that meet your criteria. If you win a lien, make sure to have certified funds with you, as most bids are due immediately. Afterwards, monitor the redemption period. If the property owner redeems, you'll receive your investment plus 20%. If not, you may proceed with acquiring the property following local laws. Once the lien is redeemed, reinvest your earnings. Use the interest earned from redeemed liens to purchase additional liens. This strategy allows your investment to compound and grow exponentially over time. By diversifying your portfolio and investing in liens across different properties and locations, you can mitigate risk and increase potential. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button. I've got more passive income strategies coming soon. Drop any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in the comments below. Thanks for watching.